What's up, YouTubers? You know me, I'm Polly C, and today we are going to be doing this loft area, master bedroom. There's a master closet to my right, and you'll see it's covered with debris and pet hair. Slide the sole of my shoe across to reveal heavy pet hair. Very important with VLM, which stands for very low moisture carpet cleaning, that you pre-vacuum and remove as much dry soil as possible. This dry soil, if left on the carpet, is going to affect your cleaning results, because when you pre-spray the Green Dragon, it's not going to reach the fibers. It's going to be impeded by all the soil. I've got this hallway and two additional smaller bedrooms. We got a little bleach stain there, a few divots from heavy furniture, and this type of low to medium pile frisé carpet is poly nylon blend. It's a builder grade carpet, low end. It does show shadowing and shading, so everywhere you step will look lighter. If you slide something, it'll show darker. So you're not seeing heavy soil. You're seeing basically a lot of shadowing. I've got my unit plugged in to the bathroom, and we discover a little creepy thing going on here in the laundry room. That is Satan, or Satan's head, on a sword with some weird incantations written on the blade. Oh, hell no. We'll keep that door closed. So, anyway, as you could see, I've completed the vacuuming process and I'm getting ready to do the cleaning with my Oreck Orbiter floor machine. And you could see what a difference just vacuuming makes. I have a 15-inch Glad pad for the stairs. I have a couple, I think they're 17-inch Ironman pads, which I'll be using on the master bedroom, which is a little more heavily soiled. And like I said, look at that. 85% of the soil load in these areas was strictly dry soil. Again, I can't stress enough the pre-vacuuming when you run into situations like this, excuse me. But I've already gone through the master closet and most of the master bedroom. But I wanted to share this cut with you of the video where I'm using the Oreck Orbiter with a 15-inch custom modified pad driver. You can look at my previous video to this for information about that. And in order for this pad to spin as freely as it's spinning and effectively clean the carpets, getting more space than a regular 13-inch or 12-inch Oreck pad, you need to use what they call a CD glider or a glider. And I'm not the inventor of the CD glider. I think Robin with OxyDry in Canada, I know he uses it. And I've heard that the Muscle TV guy uses a couple different gliders as well as a CD glider. I'll show you how that works on the bottom of this. You put the smooth side down on the carpet. I'm using a 15-pound Velcro to hold it to the pad. But look at that, absolutely beautiful. And it just frees up enough of the friction and tension with that right there in order for the pad to spin a little more freely and absorb more soil. And these are the results of Green Dragon carpet cleaning end cap solution. You can take a look in the description of this video. There's always a link to all the products that I'm using here. So check that out if you're interested in Ironman pads, or I'll be using the Galaxy Galaxy Mop microfiber scrubbing strip pad on the rest of the carpeted areas that aren't as soiled as heavily as the master. I will go back through a second time on the master with the other Ironman pad, but let's see how this one works. Same thing, I'm using the CD glider, and it is moving really, really effectively. The Oreck Orbiter is an orbital machine, so it's orbiting a random motion as it spins. It's working the pad through the fibers and absorbing or transferring any soil from the carpet fibers up into the pad. That's where the dirt goes. When people say, where does the dirt go? It's being transferred into the pad. And since you're not steam cleaning with VLM, and VLM stands for very low moisture, since you're not steam cleaning, you don't have any vacuum or suction when you're cleaning. So you do want to make sure you get all the dry soil out. There's a 15-inch Glad pad. This pad driver, I've got to spend some time and pick out all these fibers from the Velcro. This is a Challenger OP. I think they refer to it as a 10-inch pad driver, but it's 10 inches the size of the cup. Fits perfectly on the Oreck. Looking good. I've got my grooming brush, which a lot of people ask about it. It's discontinued, or the white portion, the brush part, is discontinued. I got it on Amazon, but I'll explain to you what you can do to replace it. I finished the stairs. You could see the gray pad absorbed all that soil. But what I was saying on that grooming brush, it's a simple, soft bristled deck brush. And I got a painter's telescopic pole so I could extend it out and get longer strokes. So if you're interested in using a deck brush for grooming, then Home Depot, Lowe's, or your local hardware store soft bristled deck brush should do the job. I think they come in wider sizes. This one I think is a 12-inch. But you could see it does the job. Everything came out absolutely beautiful here. Again, I can't stress enough removal of dry soil, as in my opinion, the main soil load here on this job, 85% of the dirt removal and soil removal was dry soil. Very, very important aspect of this cleaning process. You can see again, there's some shadowing and shading going on. I apologize for that. That's just the lighting and the way the camera is going to pick it up. But very, very good improvement on the situation beforehand. I thought it was dirtier than it was. I've come to find out it was more dry soil. So there you go. I'll show you a couple of the pads I used along with the CD glider on top of one of them. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope it helped someone out there. And I'm checking out, so I'll see you all in my next episode.